Hey guys, GXBOB here. Did you guys know that your OEM turn signals lose their amber color over time, mostly because of heat, UV exposure, and aging materials used to coat your OEM bulbs? Did you guys even know that my turn signals were blinking while I was talking? That is pretty pathetic. On the Lexus GX460, the rear turn signal housing can get surprisingly hot, especially if they're incandescent bulbs, in which OEM bulbs are, unless they are LEDs. Traditionally, halogen and incandescent bulbs generate a lot of heat. Over the years, that heat bakes the amber coating on the bulb or on the lens itself. That amber can fade to a pale yellow or even white, just like this. But UV rays do half the damage, especially if your vehicle is parked out in the sun all day long. Remember, the design of your turn signal housing is clear. It's not like other vehicles where your light bulbs hide behind an amber lens. This one hides behind a clear lens using an amber color bulb. Today we're going to change all of that. We're going to get rid of our OEM light bulbs and replace them with high quality LED lights with built-in fan motors to keep your lighting assembly running cool when it is in use. Did you just say fan motors in a light bulb? I sure did, folks. From the leading makers of heat dissipating, canvas error-free lighting assemblies comes a company called AUXITO. If you take a close look, there is your fan motor. It turns on when your turn signals turn on. It comes with orange chipsets, and it comes with heat dissipating fins to keep your light bulb assembly nice and cool. Let's go ahead and install these. You guys are going to need a 10mm and a wide plastic trim tool. Let's get to work. On the driver's side, you're going to have two 10mm right here that you're going to have to remove counterclockwise. We are going to take our wide plastic trim tool. We're going to put it behind the plastic right here, and we're just going to dislodge it a little bit. Just dislodge it, because it's been gunked in here for years already. You just want to get all the stickiness off of it, so when you do your next part, it's going to come out a lot easier. Now on the outside portion, you're going to take the same plastic wide tool and you're going to push it towards the back here, and you're also going to dislodge it. There you go. Now, what is holding your lighting assembly in? If you take a look at the top, you have a female nylon slot that fits this top portion of your lighting assembly with a metal male pin. You take a look down here, you're going to see a male nylon tab. Your headlight assembly is going to slide into that male pin with this slotted tab. You guys don't really need to remove your taillight assembly. The only reason I did is to give you better camera angles. The light bulb we're going to be switching out is this very top one. You need to turn it counterclockwise, comes right out, and there you go. To socket, all you have to do is just pull it out. And then you install the AUXITO light bulb. It doesn't matter which way you install it. We're going to put it back into its socket, turn it clockwise. I'm going to go ahead and just slide it while my taillight is flush with the rest of the vehicle. And you're going to kind of just feel your way, and it's going to snap into place. Probably one of the easiest reinstalls I will ever make. Just two 10mm and the whole entire assembly is back in. Now we are going to do our passenger side. Right behind our tailgate, we are going to have the same two 10mm, counterclockwise to remove them. So the passenger side is going to be a little different, guys, only because the tailgate is in the way, okay? So we are going to have to close this back about 45 degrees. Now that we are in the clear, we're going to take our wide scraper here. We're going to go between the lens and we're just going to nicely just pop it out of its socket. There you go. And this is the reason why I told you to leave this door 45 degrees. We want to weasel our 10mm tabs out. And the only way to do that is to keep it at a 45-degree angle. If you have this closed too much, the tabs won't come out. If you have this open too much, the lighting assembly wouldn't come out. So from here, I'm not going to need to remove the light assembly here. I can just do everything while it's on the vehicle. Go ahead and remove the bulb. I'm going to toss it in my cargo area there. And I'm going to install the new AUXITO light bulbs here. Everything without having to remove the lighting assembly. Now we're going to put this back in, make sure our light is sitting flush with the body of the vehicle, especially down here. This is where your sliding tab goes. And just pop it in. Done. Install back our 10mm. Make sure you go in by hand first. Get in at least 3 to 4 threads. You do not want to turn this in with a motor or else you might cross thread them. Here are both the light bulbs I just removed out of my vehicle. Now we wait for nightfall to see the magic.